Good day everyone, my name is Nomad and today I'm going to discuss on how to use the butterfly method on algebraic problems.
Hi viewers, I'm Midas and I'm going to discuss in this video how to solve math problems with foil method.
The reason why we want to do this video is because we might be able to help others, those who are suffering math, and we might be able to rise you up again from this eternal torture to your minds from math. And so this is my reason. So shall we begin? First, in multiplying problems using butterfly method, butterfly method is only used if there's any fractions in your problem. And second, imagine that this is like the cross multiplication method. Third, multiply the numerator to the denominator of the opposite side. So an example is like this: 3 over 4 minus 2 over 5. So what you want to do is multiply 3 and 5 and 2 and 4. Then their outcome is gonna be like this: 3 times 5 is equals to 15, 4 times 2 is equals to 8. Then the fourth step is then get the GCF, or the greatest common factor of the denominators. Then add the product or subtract, it depends on the operation. Then put the two together, the sum of the two products or the difference of the two products will be then the numerator, then the GCF is gonna be the denominator. So what you want to do is get the GCF first, then their only GCF 4 and 5 is only 20. And what you want to do in the products is to subtract. So 15 minus 8 is equals to 7. Then this is the final answer. It's just simple. If the answer needs to be simplified, then simplify it, or check it can be simplified again. Well, it depends.
Foil method is only for ratio and algebraic equations, which help you contains different mathematical functions. You will use the first the F part. You will 3z and you will times 2z, and it equals to 6z squared, and the outer part is 5 squared 3z times 7 and equals to 21, and the inner part is 5 times 2z and equals to 10z, and the last part is 5, and this you will multiply to 7 and equals to 35, and you will combine the like terms, and this is the final product.
Now, check your answers. Always double check your answers. So this is where the video ends. Please support this channel for more videos. And please subscribe. Always click for the bell button to get notifications from this channel. See you next time, and thank you.